Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God.
That's way
Yo,
better.
whoa. Your car did not do that in the past.
Bro, look, barely touching it.
All right, Nash, what we working on right now, bro?
Putting the chassis brakes in.
By Steeda. Get y'all an update. All right, we're this deep in the... That was kind of free. So now we're gonna tighten everything down and we should have a strong rear end.
Maybe this is hard to fit.
No, put the wrench on the other side. We got pimp a chew. But yeah, we got the brace bar in there. It should make a difference. Got the impact and we finna impact all these in. Moves, yeah, just moved slow.
Well, this is free.
Yep, boom. Not in there yet. Not in there yet. Going towards the center. Yep. All right. You see how much faster impact makes life?
For real.
Go. Boom. All right, she's in there. We just gotta tighten up the dampers and we're good to go. Next we can start on these springs. Eibach, sponsor us, please. These bitches are heavy. Let's get to it though. What's in the box? It's a pretty little box. Oh, we got struts too? Stop playing.
What?
We tighten those up for nothing, dude. You joking, right? He was working on that for nothing. I ain't know. I asked you if you had like coilovers with it.
All that metal in my hand for no reason.
But hey, we got the springs and the struts.
Okay.
Well, all right, so that's the new setup. We're gonna show you guys how to install these. Okay, yeah. Can't fake it, dog. The camera can't see you. You just look like a black face.
That's messed up. All right, let's not open too much.
We're gonna get organized. So we got some work to do. We're gonna show you guys how to install some springs on a 2014 Mustang GT. And this go for all Mustang V6s, GTs. You can do this on the convertible as well as just one extra step. So let's get to it. So first, you gotta start by jacking up the car. Because if you don't know how to jack up a car, you shouldn't be doing springs. I'm just gonna let you know right now. And oh yeah, peep the GT500 in the corner. To do the springs, it's highly recommended you use an impact gun. A, because some stuff like spring compressor is gonna be really hard to do it without it. And it's just gonna make the job a whole lot easier. Bust it. Oh yeah, having one of these will be helpful too when we get under do the rear end. So. It's Pimpachu right here. He gonna help us out today. That side was up about. Next, get the wheels off. Get your impact gun. NASCAR. NASCAR, baby, sign me up. Come on, Dale Earnhardt. Yeah. Come on, boy, this is training. Let's go. Let's go. You trying to work for NASCAR? You can't be doing that going that slow. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. God damn it. You definitely ain't working for Formula One. Come on, man, get the wheel off. That was a 30-second pit stop. What the fuck was that?
No.
Another thing you should do while doing this install is it's always good to have plastic bags around so you can stay organized because we are going to be taking off a lot of bolts. First thing we're going to do is take off this end link that connects to the sway bar right here. And then we're also going to disconnect the brake line right here and also disconnect the ABS line, which is just held on by a clip. So we're going to show you how to get that out first. To be honest, let's get that bitch off.
Okay.
You good? All right, so we got the end link off. Where is it at? It's dangling.
Yeah.
And remember, get your plastic bag and let's organize this stuff so we don't lose shit. So next we finna take off the brake line connected to it. That's pretty easy, right? Then next we gotta get a crowbar and take off the ABS line. And be careful with this because the ABS line is not cheap. We gotta Where my finger at? Right there. We gotta pry that ABS line out. This is a little frustrating, but you know, it takes time. We gotta get it off. All right, so come here, Dash. Come here. So the next thing we're gonna do is get these 2 bolts right here off, and then just loosen it up. We're not gonna take it off all the way yet.
I thought you can't stop that thing for nothing.
Yeah, so you kind of want to get it partially off. We don't want to get it fully off yet. We'll see why in a second. Now see, imagine trying to take that off with just a wrench. That's why I say it's very helpful if you get an impact. So what we're finna do next, we finna loosen this top off so it'll be easier to get the bottom off. So we finna loosen up the top hat of the suspension.
Wow.
Did it fall to the floor? Oh, I see
It's
it.
in a pen.
I see it.
Wow.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Is it got something to do with the partial thing?
I guess.
So what we gotta do is we gotta hammer these out, and hence why you see why I kept these in. You don't want to crush like this end, so you want to have it sitting out so you're hitting the nut and not the actual bolt. If you ever have issues getting this out, you can grab a torch and have a friend torch this end of the bolt while the other one hits it. See, it literally just falls right out of everything in there. And next thing you know, we gotta loosen these up completely, and then the coilover should just fall right out. Easy peasy. The last 2 off, then that coilover is literally gonna drop, and I'm gonna have Donovan catch it for me. As you see, the whole coilover is out, and we can do this other side real quick. Now remember, like I said last time, keep it organized because you do not want to lose these. It's not that they're expensive, they're just hard to find. Been at it for an hour. We already got both coilovers out. So now we got to compress them and transfer that top hat over to the Eibach coilovers, which are right here. So we're gonna get back to work. Pikachu, how's life? And we're gonna need some spring compressors. Give me this. All right, so next we finna compress this spring. If we was to take it off right now, it would literally shoot through a wall. No bullshit. We gotta use what this is called a spring compressor and compress the energy, as Einstein once said, you know? Wait, righty tighty, lefty loose.
Whoa. Oh, yo.
Pick!
I
Get
got
picked!
him.
All right, let's pray I don't get shot in the face with a spring, low key. Oh yeah, then we have a problem with our impact. Yeah, so we struggling right now.
Thanks to who?
Brad. Nah, Brad, thank you for letting us use your impact. Even though it, you know, it doesn't do it properly.
So this spring about to explode.
Yeah, bro. Oh my God. Yo, old spring, new spring. Holy shit. That's gonna be a nice drop.
That's gonna be slammed.
Yeah, this is gonna be slammed. All right, so gonna set up the new coilover by Eibach. Got the bump stopper here in the cover. We'll put that in there first. You ain't really gotta push all the way down to the bottom, because once you like put the car on the ground, it's gonna adjust itself properly. Get them springs, boy. You put it in here. Make sure the tip, no homo.
That's it.
Make sure the tip is like hitting the back of this, and also transfer this silicone piece from the old springs onto the new one. And then grab the top hat, and then get it in there properly. Make sure that, come here, Jonathan, come here. Right here, make sure the rubber piece is hitting the tip of the spring. And then we got our little nut right here. And we gonna This is kind of a 2-person job. Have them tighten it up in there. The 9mm. So we put that on top, right? So we got it in there. And then we grab the, hey Don, hold this spring. And then we grab one of these clamps and then put it in there, clamp it down, then we held it and then twisted that around to tighten it up. This is the new coilover. We got the new bump stop in there with the cover. So now we finna put these string compressors up because we gotta return them. And we finna put the springs back in the car and then we finna do the rears.
Yep.
All right, so when you get it in there, don't tighten it up all the way because you still gotta maneuver the spring a little bit. Don't be scared to maneuver it too much. You just gotta get it in there and slide it all the way in there. And basically just do the reverse of what we just did and should be good to go.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's good. Keep going. Oh yeah, I recommend doing this diagonally. First things first, recommend doing it diagonally. Diagonally in second, when you're using an impact gun, don't go too hard on the impact because when I was doing the lower springs on that car, it literally just broke it right off. So be careful with that. All right, YouTube, so we're struggling, but we're getting there. So what we finna do is we're finna drop the sway bar on either side so we can get to this bolt with the damper.
Push up on this one.
All right, so what ended up happening is loosen the damper and this side of the axle drop, we have the jack holding it up a little bit just to remove tension off the other side. But yeah, the spring just kind of came out.
Yeah.
So what we finna do next, we finna go in the trunk and remove that damper and put the new one in. We got the rear strut out, move some carpet in and check out the Steeda structure back there.
Installed by Nash.
Something like that. He has some assistance. Yeah. Grab the new springs and new dampers and finna get all set up. Woo! All right, I'm waiting for you. It popped in. So next is, we so
Gotta go fast like that, look.
I'm a pleasant lover. But we gotta take these bump stops out. And bro, we so tired, I ain't gonna lie. Make sure y'all start at like 9 a.m. and not 1 p.m.
You're right. And don't
Let's finish her off together.
Alright.
I think we gotta heat that up too. Let's get to work.
Ass stop. Question: how did they remove this? Did they need a specific tool? Or did they just pull it out?
No, it's too.
All right, so to get the bump stop out, we gotta set the bottom of it on fire and pry out.
Booty stop.
You don't got no gloves on. It's gonna heat the metal up.
It would be like a perfect photo shoot if I was doing a photo shoot right now.
I told you, KB. You need to listen to me. You need to listen to me more often.
Shut up.
All right, let's get the new one on.
Oh. We'll laugh about this later. You
Give me
okay?
that sequence.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh,
Is that him?
That's what. That's rain, bro.
so Ford fucked up a little bit. It was installed like that from the factory. So
I lemon it up.
the DJ, you know what's going on with the car?
That's it.
Yeah,
Motherfucker, that's it?
yeah, that's it.
I think I'm about.
Told you, Tony. S197 is way easier than the S550. So now we got the new bump stop in there. You got to tighten up right down there. No, we're literally about to finish this right side. I mean, this left side.
His eyes red because he smoked weed.
I took the 15 millimeter out.
What just happened? So we stripped the bolt. We're literally one bolt away from finishing the project. And he literally dropped it in a box of screws. Dude, it's in here. Like, hold up. Oh. Found it.
Oh my god.
Let's go, bro. We got like 3 minutes.
Go ahead.
He said, cause he ain't no bitch.
Still, bro. Still.
You at the wrong side, DJ.
Looks like they're making a mess.
Constipation face.
Your hair kept getting in the way. Order me a damn pizza.
Get 2, bro.
Fuck y'all. The car grew, man.
Got the new springs and coilovers in.
Should we say what just happened?
Yeah, let's tell them what happened, man. You want to show the damage?
Go ahead.
So, yep, that happened. There's a little bit of love right there. DJ, we finna tell YouTube what happened.
Long story short, we was on top of these rollers, front tires, and e-brake wasn't secure. And
I was jacking up the car, letting it down for the last time. Somebody took the e-brake off. I don't know why.
Because we have to work on the brakes, dog.
But anyways, we lowered the car. Car's on some plank, and it just started rolling like into the garage door.
So pretty much, we was working on the brakes. We let the e-brake down. Honestly, we should have had it in gear.
Yeah.
And when we let the car down on the planks, the car rolled into the garage. I wish we caught it. I just wish it didn't happen. Yeah, we thought the garage door was gonna come off the rails, but the garage door is okay. Front bumper took a little bit of a love tap, but
I'm not really mad because the bumper is already damaged. So, and I got a bumper upgrade coming sometime.
so
Just wait on that.
yeah. So let's take her on the road and let's see how she feels. We're gonna get your first reaction. Oh my god.
Yo, I can feel it's lowered. Oh yeah, I feel way lowered.
You feel it?
Oh yeah.
Wait till we get on, we finna go on this little road. It's not too curvy, but just gonna listen to make sure everything is tight. We're gonna listen for abnormal sounds, make sure everything put together.
That little strip right there was bumpy, dude. For my stock springs, I didn't feel it.
Do our little crazy test. Do it.
Let's do this car fast.
Oh
my god! Yeah.
Wow.
That's
Oh my god!
That's way
Yo,
better.
whoa! Your car did not do that in the past.
Bro, look, barely touching it. Dude. Oh yeah, I like that. I still need the sway bars and everything though.